Did you know that just like milk can do wonders for tomato plants, there's another simple kitchen ingredient that's just as effective? Today, we're talking about eggshells, a natural, easy, and eco-friendly way to give your tomatoes a boost. So, what's so special about eggshells? They're loaded with calcium, which is crucial for strong tomato plants and healthy fruit. This calcium can help prevent a common tomato problem called blossom end rot, those frustrating dark spots that ruin your tomatoes. Using eggshells is easy. After using eggs, simply rinse the shells and let them dry. Then crush them into small pieces or grind them into a powder. When you plant your tomatoes, mix some crushed eggshells into the soil around the roots or sprinkle them around the base of already growing plants. For an even quicker boost, you can also make eggshell tea. Start by crushing up your dried eggshells and adding about a cup of crushed shells to a liter of water. Let this mixture sit for 2 to 3 days, allowing the water to absorb the calcium. Once it's ready, pour the eggshell tea around the base of your tomato plants every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. This way, you're giving your plants a steady supply of calcium to keep them healthy and productive.